Question number 2 is homework from exercise 6C. 6C, question 2, homework. Now let us solve fifth question. A girl goes to her friend's house, which is a distance of 12 km. She covers half of the distance at a speed of x km per hour and the remaining distance at a speed of x plus 2 km per hour. If she takes 2 hours 30 minutes to cover the whole distance, find x. Okay, that is the question. What is the total distance covered by the girl? Total distance is equal to 12 kilometers and speed she used, or she covers half of the distance at a speed of x km per hour. Speed equal to x km per hour for half kilometers. Half the distance. Half of the distance means what? 12 by 2, no? 6 kilometers. That means she used x km per hour to cover 6 kilometers. And with a speed of x plus 2 km per hour for the remaining. Remaining means she covered half distance now. Now the remaining half only. The remaining 6 kilometers. Okay. So she used 2 speeds to cover the total distance 12 km. That is 6 km covered in x km per hour and the remaining 6 km covered in x plus 2 km per hour. And total time taken. Total time taken by the girl is 2 hours 30 minutes. Let us convert it into hours only. How can we convert 2 hours 30 minutes? Yes, 2 and 30 hours means 30 minutes means 30 by 60 hours, no? That is half hours or 0.5 to 0.5 hours. Understood? So she took 2.5 hours to travel the 12 km. And the time taken, that is the time. First time plus second time gives 2.5. That is the relationship or the equation. We have to do that. What is the equation? First time taken. How can we calculate the time taken? We know that equation, no? We have discussed already. How can we find the time by using speed and distance? Yes, distance by speed gives time taken. Okay, so what is the first time taken? 6 divided by x, and the second time taken 6 by x plus 2. Total time taken 2.5. This is the equation and we have to simplify it to get the standard form of a quadratic equation, then factorize to get the value of x. Here we can take 6 outside. 6 is common here now as before. Okay, 6 into 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 2 gives 2.5. This for easy calculation we can convert it into fraction. 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Okay, and we can write the 6 to the right side as divided by 6 and take the LCM here, cross multiply to simplify. Let us do that. Okay, here you can simplify this. 5, 2 and cross multiply x plus 2 plus 1 into x, x divided by x into x plus 2 gives 5 by 12. 2x plus 2 into 12 gives 5 into x plus 2, x square plus 2x. Simplify this. 24x plus 24 gives 5x square plus 10x. Okay, so let us write that values to the right side. That is 5x square plus 10x minus 24x minus 24 gives 0. That is 5x square minus 14x minus 24 equal to 0. Here we have to find two numbers. Their product is negative 24 into 5. negative 120 and sum is negative 14. Product is negative 120 and sum is negative 14. Can you say which are the two numbers? Yes, they are 20 and 6. What about 20 and 6? Minus 20 and plus 6 gives the difference minus 14. And 20 into 6, 120, no? So these are the two numbers. 5x square minus 20x plus 6x minus 24 gives 0. 20 and 6 difference is 14. And here we can take the common factor as 5x. 5x into x minus 4 plus here is 6 is 4, 6 is common, x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, let us simplify this. So we can write x minus 4 into 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here we can apply zero product rule. X minus 4 equal to 0 or 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We get x equal to 4 or x equal to negative 6 by 5. We write the 6 to the right side as negative 6 and divide it by 5. Here we can take this value, negative value for speed. That's why what is the value of x? 4. She travels with a speed of 4 km per hour. Okay, here the question is find x. So we got x as 4 km per hour. Understood? Now the next problem is question 6. That is a homework problem. Do this problem. Okay, these are the important problems from exercise 6C. And now let us discuss 6D. All word problems are related with this quadratic equation. You just frame the quadratic equation and solve. Okay. Next is question number 4 from exercise 6D. The ages of two sisters are 11 years and 14 years. 11 years and 14 years are the ages of two sisters. In how many years time will the product of their ages will be 304? So we take in x years. We don't know the time. So in x years, the product of their ages will be 304. Okay. We have to calculate the number of years in which the product will become 304. How can we find this? Let in x years the product changes to 304. Now the present age is 11. So after x years what will be the age of one sister? That is 11 plus x now. And the age of the other one 14 plus x. Their product will be 304 that time. So this is the relationship or the equation we have to write in the standard form of a quadratic equation and solve. First 11 into 14. 14 and 14. 154 plus 11 into x 11x plus 14 into x 14x. 11 into 14 11 into x. X into 14 x into x. X square 304. Understood? First we have to multiply each term. So here you can write x square. 11x plus 14x is 25x and plus 154 minus 304 gives 0. That is x square plus 25x minus, subtract that 304 and 154. We get 150 equal to 0. Okay. Let us factorize this. Now the product of, we have to find two numbers. Their product is minus 150 and sum is 25 or difference is 25. Can you say which are the two numbers? We can factorize 150 and find out, and we will get the factors as 35 is there. Oh, okay, look at this number 25. It's a difference of 30 and 5 now. And what about 30 into 5? It's 150. So we can take the numbers as 30 and 5. Plus 30 and minus 5 gives the difference plus 25 and the product minus 150. So how can we write this? X square plus 30x minus 5x minus 150 equal to 0. Let us simplify this. So here we can group these two numbers, x into x plus 30 minus 5 into x plus 30 gives 0. Take the common factor x plus 30 into x minus 5 gives 0. We can apply zero product rule, x plus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So here x equal to negative 30, x equal to 5. We can't take this negative 30 here because years, we are taking the number of years. Therefore, x equal to 5. Therefore, in 5 years, their product will be 304. Okay. In 5 years, their product will be 304. Ages of their product. Okay. So this is the solution. Now do the fifth question homework. Question number 5 is homework. Also question number 7. Question number 7 homework, and you can refer example 13 in your textbook. You can refer example 13. A similar type problem is question number 7. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed. Here we have to relate the time taken. How can we relate the time taken? Distance by speed. Here it is given, distance is same, 30 km upstream and downstream, and speed of the boat in still water is given 15 km per hour. If we go upstream, speed will reduce. So it is 15 minus x. Let the speed of the still water or a stream, speed of the stream will be x, and 15 minus x will be the speed upstream, and 15 plus x be the downstream. Okay. So relate the time taken. Total time taken is given us 4 hours 30 minutes. So distance by speed, sum of the times gives 4 hours. Relate that. You can refer example 13 in page 75. Okay. Same type problem is question number 7. Do that question homework. Now let us solve question number 9. It's an important problem. Okay. Question number 9 is rupees 250 is divided among a certain number of children. If there were 25 children more, each would have received 50 pies less. Find the number of children. That is the question. What is the total money? Total money they have rupees 250. They are equally divided equally among a number of children. We don't know the number of children. Let the number of children be x. There are x children, and if we divide this 250 rupees among x children, each one get, yes, 250 by x. No, share of each child is 250 by x, and if there are 25 children more, can you say the share of each? It will decrease or increase? If there are more children, the share will decrease. Okay. And how can we find the share of each one? 250 by number of children, x plus 25. 25 more. 25 more means now we have x children. If there are 25 children more, x plus 25 will be the number of children. So each share of each one is 250 divided by x plus 25. Now, if there are 25 children more, each would have received 50 pies less. How much less each one get? 50 paise only. So, how can we convert 50 paise to rupees? 50 by 100, no? We know that. Half or 0.5. 0.5 rupees. Use the symbol, you can write rupees 0.5. We can apply this value in the equation. 0.5 rupees. Okay, the difference between these two shares is 0.5. So the difference of the shares is rupees 0.5, that is 250 divided by x minus 250 by x plus 25 gives 0.5. Let us take 250 common outside. 250 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 25 gives 0.5. Okay, and we can write 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 25 equal to 0.5 by 250. We can write that 250 to the right side. Take the LCM here. X plus 25 minus x divided by x into x plus 25 gives 0.5 by 250 or 5 by 2500. Cancel out this 1 by 500. Okay. Now we can cancel out this plus x and minus x, and we can cross multiply again to get the simplified equation. Cross multiply these two, we get x into x, x square, x into 25, 25x into 1 gives 25 into 500. That is x square plus 25x, this 25 into 5, 125 minus 125. So this is 12,500. This number is 12,500, and we can write it to the right side as minus is equal to 0 here. So we have x square plus 25x minus 12,500 gives 0. We need the product. We have to find two numbers. Their product is negative 12,500 and sum or difference is 25. So it is easy to get the values. Which are the two numbers? Look at that number 12,500. It is easy to calculate, no? Yes. Which are the numbers? Numbers are 125 and 100. 125 minus 100 gives 25. So minus 100 and plus 125 are the numbers. The numbers are 125 and minus 100. So we can write this equation x square plus 25x minus 12,500 as x square plus 125x minus 100x minus 12,500. We change this 25 as 125 minus 100. Okay. Now group these two values to obtain x is common here, x plus 125 minus these two terms minus 100 is common, x plus 125 equal to 0, which implies x plus 125 is common here and remaining terms x and negative 100 equal to 0. We can apply the zero product rule. X plus 125 equal to 0 or x minus 100 equal to 0. That's why x equal to negative 125 or x equal to 100. Which one we can take as the number of children? We can take the number of children as positive value only. This is not valid. Therefore, the number of children is 100. There are 100 children and 250 rupees is divided among 100 children. If there are 25 more children, 125 children are there, divide 250 by 125, we get 50 paise less. Okay, understood this problem? These are the important problems from our exercise questions. So many problems are there in your textbook. By model exam, you have to complete all these questions and ask me your doubts. Now you learn all these important problems, all classworks and homeworks. Thank you all.